that lady, man.
Oh man,
Selling that body, man.
she shouldn't even done that.
Oh, no.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
Word.
And then he skipped town with all your bread.
Got hit by a car, fell to the ground.
And people all over start to gather around.
And he was hurt so bad, it seemed to be.
But he was only down for the currency. Huh?
Ladies at the corner look so fine.
And man, oh man, I wish she was mine.
I mean, she looked so cute with a skin tight suit.
But she was selling that body as a prostitute.
Well, it might sound sad
or might sound funny, but that's what people do for money.
I got no money and time's getting rough.
For more public assistance, but that ain't enough.
I got to get a gun and stick up someone
and later be sorry for what I've done.
A girl got married against the law.
She married a man she never seen before.
And then she split. Ain't that a flip?
'Cause it was all done for
citizenship. Well, it might sound sad
or might sound funny, but that's what people do for money.
Children growing up to see this. Teenage girls dating senior citizens.
I said, tell me, girl, what's happening?
She said, I'm down on my luck, so what the
I'll see if I can lay him for a couple of bucks.
3 cards
money, but